Product marketing is basically the exact opposite of marketing professional services. Unfortunately, the people that tend to have the largest share of voice out there are going to be people that work at agencies and consultancies. And often what they'll tell you about product marketing is that it's essentially doing what worked for them in promoting their own agency, their own consultancy. The problem is when we actually look at the research, when we look at the data, we see what works in professional services and what works in product marketing. So with professional services, the most successful formula is going after small niches, narrow specialization. The firms that grow the fastest, the firms that are the most profitable, are the firms that take narrow specialization. And there are a number of reasons for this. One of the reasons is simple economics. If you're selling your time and you only have so many people, the idea is basically to get the highest price point as possible. And the way you're going to be able to charge a very high hourly rate is by specializing. People are going to pay more to see specialists. Moreover, larger clients are willing to pay more for specialists. But when we look at the research with what works with product marketing, it's almost the exact opposite. It has much more to do with appealing to masses of people, going after large markets, and not really going after those so-called blue oceans or niche markets, because those simply don't scale very well. And that's the real advantage with products, is products scale very well. So the way that you become successful with product marketing often has little to do with niche positioning or specialization and more to do with taking value propositions, communicating value propositions that are going to appeal to a much larger market to justify the investment in the product and to be able to spread those costs in terms of economies of scale across a large number of buyers.